from the First Coast News Weather Team, sponsored by AC Designs.
Look at that. That was sunrise this morning in Orange Park at the Boy Scouts campground there. So that was sent in on our First Coast News Weather Watchers page. Thank you to Heather Black for sending it in. A gorgeous start to the day today. It was comfortable out there in the 60s. Now it is also gorgeous outside. Look at that at the pier. People enjoying the pier this evening. Temperatures are coming in the 80s. We're right at 88 degrees at the airport, and then we're at 82 over in Lake City, 84 in St. Augustine. This evening we're going to drop down into the 70s, and then overnight lows are going to settle into the 60s for some of you. I'm going with a low of 67 at the airport, but others of you might stay right around 70, especially along the coast. So tomorrow morning, not as cool as it has been the past couple of mornings. Then tomorrow afternoon, we heat up. High temperatures back to around 90, 91 degrees, but also it will feel more humid outside. We have moisture returning to our atmosphere, so it means it's going to feel a bit more sticky outside and muggy. And also we'll have an increase in cloud coverage and an increase in rain coverage too. So overall on our Monday, some of you will stay dry. Looking at you, Georgia, mainly those along and south of I-10 have the rain chances. So here's a look at our future radar tomorrow. In the afternoon, a few showers start to pop up, and notice how they'll spread from south to north. So later on in the afternoon and early in the evening, more showers, maybe even a few thunderstorms out there too. And then that activity diminishes as we head into our overnight hours. I can't rule out just a few overnight showers. That will start off the coast as well Tuesday morning. And then by Tuesday, everyone gets in on those rain chances. Rain coverage really starts to bump up. About 70% of our area could see rain on Tuesday. Same story again on Wednesday, and even Thursday, rain coverage stays elevated as well. So when all is said and done for the work week, some localized spots could have around or even over 2 inches of rain. So again, a good amount of rain on the way for the work week. Now, we don't want rain from the tropics, and the good news is that the tropics, there are no direct threats to us here along the First Coast, but there's a lot happening. So over in the Gulf, a lot of people seeing that saying, what the heck? Well, the good news is it has a very low chance of developing. If it gets its act together at all in the next few days, then the upper level winds are going to become too strong to let it develop as it drifts to the west. So it's even drifting away from us. There is another wave that has moved off the coast of Africa. It has a medium chance of developing when it moves over the same area where Philippe is right now. And Philippe is a tropical storm. The forecast from the National Hurricane Center keeps it as a tropical storm over the next 7 days. But again, good news with this one, it looks like it's going to stay out to sea several hundred miles east of the First Coast. We're always keeping a close eye on the tropics, but again, right now, no direct threats to us. What we will watch, an increase in rain coverage for the work week. More rain, more cloud cover means temperatures dropping down into the lower 80s.
Thank you, Lee. New